Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, to Rosa's Creative Way. So I have a project share and it is using the Polkadoodles Winnie Celebrations 1. And if you recall, on the last video I shared these flat cards. They're so cute, I think, and they're completely flat, absolutely no dimension, but it does have a few of digital images layered. And at the end of the video I do share with you on how the process and how I made these, and these are the ones that I showed in that video, how do I make both of these, which was, it's really fun to do, I think, because you're almost designing your own card. But of course these are images that I've gotten from Polkadoodles and from Knitwit. Okay, also in that video I mentioned that I was going to use these cards. I made the size of these cards were meant to be used in these craft envelopes that I got from Hobby Lobby, and you can see that they fit perfect in here. That's the reason why I wanted no dimension in them, so you can see they fit perfectly in here. So now let me show you what I did with these envelopes. So one more time, here are the envelopes and this is what I made. So here is the first envelope. So in that video, in that tutorial, I show you all of the different images. So pretty much what I did was separate them and lay them on the sheet of paper individually, and then some of them I fussy cut, and then some of them I was able to cut using the Brother Scan and Cut. Now the images from Knitwit I had to fussy cut, like this one right here, because the Brother Scan and Cut is not really able to read it because it has like a lot of white going on, so I can't read those lines because they're very light. You can see how it's almost white. Now of course the girl and the presents and all the other images it was able to do very well. So here's the first one. What I did was pretty much replicate the cards that I had made, but added dimension. So you can see the dimension in the cards. So this one has double foam adhesive, and then this one has one layer. This one too has one layer because I wanted all of my girls to be popping out just a little bit more. And then I just added some trim to the side. This is using Hobby Lobby trim as well as this beaded trim. Here is the second one. And again, like I said, I added more trim, added dimension. I thought it came out so cute. Here is another one. Now this one I added some of my flowers. These are flowers that I was destashing. Another piece of trim and more dimension, so you can see that these girls have a lot of dimension, and I think it looks so cute. It just makes these envelopes pop really good. And here is the next one, and all of these trims are from Hobby Lobby, and this one is just trim from my stash. Really pretty. And of course more dimension. So here are my altered envelopes that match the flat cards that I made, as you can see. And I thought that looks so cute. I really like this. So these are ready for me to go, ready to send out in Happy Mail. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the description box for all of the links. Bye everyone.